A free trade zone is a special area within a country. In these zones, goods can be imported, stored, handled, manufactured, or re-exported without being subject to customs duties. The purpose of a free trade zone is to boost trade. It does this by reducing barriers and costs associated with importing and exporting goods. Here are the key features of free trade zones. Tax and duty exemptions. Goods in a free trade zone can often be imported without paying taxes or duties. Simplified customs procedures. Free trade zones generally have simplified customs and regulatory procedures, making it easier for businesses to operate efficiently. Manufacturing and assembly. Many free trade zones allow companies to carry out assembly, manufacturing, and processing operations, adding value to goods before they are re-exported or sold locally. Storage and distribution. Free trade zones often serve as important centers for the storage and distribution of goods internationally, supporting global supply chains. Economic growth. Free trade zones are designed to attract foreign investment, increase employment, and promote export activities. These zones are especially common in regions seeking to promote international trade and attract foreign companies by offering favorable conditions. This video is courtesy of Newmark Commercial Realty. Andy Perez, SIOR, CRS, GRI, contact at 1-809-705-5831 via WhatsApp. Please click like and subscribe to our channel to receive more informative videos. See you next time.